Okay, gonna go out for a little ride with my wife's bike over here, this little truck. And I got two pumps to choose from. This one is called like a Sunlite or something like that. I bought it brand new from REI. And then I've got over here this nice Bontrager pump, and I got this one from Facebook Marketplace. She said $5 when I got there. She said it's a freebie. They're both great because they both facilitate the different types of Presta or Schrader valves. This one does both of them in the same little notch right there. The other one has two different, has a Presta and a Schrader built into the same head right there. So if you look at that one, you almost might think that one's higher tech, but I gotta tell you, after using that one for a long time and this for a long time, this one is much better. It's great. This one's kind of premium. And so how much air? I mean, I can tell I don't have a tire gauge, but just by squeezing it, I can tell that it's low. And right there on the tire wall, it says inflate to between 65 and 100 PSI. You see the other two measurements, like the bar, for example, that's for another country. So that's that. This orange one is called like a Sunlite or something like that. I think I bought this one at REI for like $35. Thought it was a great deal. Used it forever. Struggled with the valves honestly forever. And I got this this Bontrager right here off of Facebook Marketplace. The lady had it listed for $5. I thought, why not? And when I got there to pick it up, she said free. So what I figured out was I'd much rather have, even at full price, I'd rather have a pump that works well than a cheap one or a free one that doesn't. Well, the Presta are the skinny ones. The Schrader are the fatter ones. So this uses the skinnier Presta. And you have the little lock nut there. You have to unscrew this. You have to unscrew the little thing inside of it. Just a couple turns is fine. Why use those? Well, these are meant, they're for a little higher pressure tires or carbon, usually a little more high end. And then the other fatter ones are used for, they're more robust. Like these won't snap off if you're putting a lock next to it or you're in a bike rack or something like that. So it's easier using it for that. This one was free and it's terrific, the Bontrager. And part of their secret, this head, it just grips right on. You can put it on one hand, it snugs up. You know, it doesn't give you a hard time with those notoriously difficult and hard to use the skinny Presta valves. Skinny Presta. The fatter Schrader, they're much easier to use. The skinny ones, they bend, they're hard to get a hold of. You break the little stems in the middle, they're such a pain. But you need them for a higher pressure, and they come on all high-end road bikes. The fatter ones, like the same ones that you find in a car, they're easy to use, and they leak pressure a little quicker. Subsequently, if you're using tubeless, I don't think you can use the fatter ones for tubeless. I think you need the skinnier ones. Correct me on that one in the comments. Somebody that knows a lot more than me, which should be a hell of a lot of people. I mean, it's old school, but it works great. And primarily, I would say, because the head on this thing, it grabs right onto the valve, it locks, it works on Presta or Schrader. At a glance, you think, oh, which one is it? This actually works on both. It adjusts inside. And this just locks on one-handed. Like these are notoriously difficult. But I found this, these skinnier Presta, they can be really hard to work with. So getting the right type of head that works well is really helpful. And this one on the Bontrager works great. The cheaper one, I used it a moment ago. I actually couldn't get it to air up at all. And I know it works because I've used it, for several years, but man, it's a pain. I mean, it's decent, it works, but this one like this new is anywhere from, I'd say probably, the modern versions have more whistles and bells, but still these more expensive ones can be like, I don't know, 35 up to 100, depending if you're getting tubeless tires. But just for regular air, if you buy this one new, probably $50. This one probably 35. This one wins all day long. Like there's almost no comparison. The ease of use on this one is just so much better. And this one I found to be really kind of a pain. At a glance, you're like, oh, this is nice. It has the Presta and Schrader valves separated in the head. But when I actually used it, I couldn't get it to lock. If I were buying these new, I'd take the Bontrager all day long. If I were taking them for free, I would actually pass on this one. Because I'd really rather have a better pump that works well, regardless of the price, than a free or a cheap one that doesn't work well. This works on Presta or Schrader. This has the skinnier Presta. I mean, the head on this one just grabs so much nicer. Done. Boom. Put that on there. Okay, so at a glance, these pumps are pretty much identical. Which one would you choose?